still rooted in speed, still fluid in movement, still slashing and stabbing its enemies, the knife culture is still alive and deadly.
What's happening, man?
Nada ese.
Got the money, man?
Let me see the shit, man.
The shit's there, man. Where's the money?
5 minutes. 5 minutes, baby.
No, man. No money, no shit.
Ah, man, 5 minutes.
Oh, fuck you, man.
Unit 708, I'm on the scene.
10-4.
While the knife culture continues to hone its skills, some officers still commit one tactical error after another. By failing to assess the real dangers, by using ineffective and dangerous deployment, and by underestimating the degree of threat.
708, dispatch.
Go ahead, 708.
I need an ambulance and a backup.
Yet 80% of you have removed edged weapons from suspects that could have been used against you.
Make that 1017.
10-4, 708.
Hey, can we get another drink? Bartender. Money over here.
How's it going? Hey, Pedro, how's it going?
Okay.
It's good to hear.
Well, hello, officers, and how are you?
All right, how about yourself?
Just fine.
Good, good.
Say we go upstairs and party a little.
Not today, no,
Oh,
not
come on,
today.
let's have some fun.
No, we're working.
Cops!
Hey, hold that! Guns, boys! Drop the gun! Gun! Watch out, he's got a knife! Stop! I said stop! Leave the gun alone! Put your hands up where I can see them now! You okay? I've been hit! Squad 44.
Go ahead, Squad 44.
44, assist, officer down, shots fired. 625 South 6.
10-4, Squad 44. All units, assist officers, shots fired, 625 South 6th Street.
Squad 42.
As part of your response, you also want to think CCRR. Take cover as soon as tactically feasible. Communicate with suspects. Communicate with other officers. Communicate with dispatch. Reload your weapon, ideally from behind cover. And recover or protect the weapon. It's important as evidence, and you don't want it to disappear or be accessible to hostile hands. Anytime blood's around, use rubber gloves to guard against infection. And touch the weapon where there's the least risk of destroying fingerprints. Today, most crime labs prefer that recovered edged weapons be transported in a box rather than a plastic bag for better preservation.